Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create size variation on WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, to create a size variation, you will need to have, first of all, a size attribute. So basically, we need just to go to the products here, and then we need just to go to the attributes. And by going to attributes, we will be needing to create an attribute or a variable for size. And basically here in the size, you will need to add all the sizes. So basically, you can add the name for new attributes and you can name it size. So now we need to configure the term. So from here, you will need to add all the sizes that you will have in all your store, not necessarily for one specific product, but you can do it for your whole store or your whole catalog. So you can add an N, B, X, whatever was the letters or the size, you can add it here by just adding the name and click add on new size. So after that, we will be needing to create a new product that we are going to create its variation. So here, I'm just going to edit my product that is already done. You will need to add or to enter the product's name. And the most important part is to use in the product's data, make sure that it is a variable product. And since we want to make a variable size, make sure to give it the attribute size. So in my case, I'm just going to remove this one, and you will need just to click on size here, and you click add. It's already added, and then you will add the sizes that you would like for your product. So for example, my t-shirt will only have these sizes. After that, make sure that you click used for variation and click on save attributes, then you go to variation. So basically, this is my variations here. Since I removed the color, I will need just to remove these variations. So now I'm just going to click on add variation, and I'm just going to click on go, and here it will give me a variation. So my size would be only the M size, and after that you will add the price for your size. And then I'm just going to add a new variation, and I'm just going to give it another price. So the S1 would be, for example, only 80. And then I'm just going to save the changes. And now I'm having uh, a variation based on size. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.